I'm Vinod, and today we will talk about Section 1 of Indian Evidence Act. It provides title, extent and commencement of this act, and it also provides in which kind of proceedings it is applicable and in which kind of proceedings this act is not applicable. So let's start the presentation. Section 1st, Title, Extent, Commencement. This act is called the Indian Evidence Act 1872. This act extends to whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. This act applies to all judicial proceedings including court-martials except court-martials under following acts: the Indian Army Act, the Navy Discipline Act, the Indian Navy Discipline Act 1934, the Air Force Act. Definition of judicial proceeding. Simple meaning of judicial proceeding is proceeding conducted in a court. Section 2I of CRPC also defines judicial proceeding as judicial proceeding includes any proceeding in the course of which evidence is or may be legally taken on oath. And what is oath? Oath is a declaration required by law to be made before a public servant. Here is a case: Union of India versus Jagannath Prasad Sharma, 1957 Supreme Court. In this case, Supreme Court stated departmental proceeding is not a judicial proceeding mentioned in Section 1 of Indian Evidence Act. This act does not apply to proceedings before an arbitrator and affidavits. Who is an arbitrator? Arbitrator is a person appointed by the parties to decide the dispute between them. And what is affidavit? Affidavit is a written declaration under oath made by a person before a person who has authority to administer the oath. Here is a case: Haji Ibrahim Qassam Kochiwala versus Northern Indian Oil Industries Limited, Supreme Court. In this, Supreme Court stated about arbitrators that arbitrators have to follow the principles of natural justice and they are not bound by the law of evidence. Affidavits. This section does not apply to affidavits because a person's assertion of facts on the basis of his personal knowledge does not constitute evidence. Commencement. This act came in force on 1st September 1872. So this was Section 1st of Indian Evidence Act. If you like the video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.